Hello again, let's have a new test today. So it's time to test my old TS100. I have this for more than 2 years. I'm really glad with this little guy. I can't remember exactly if it's the original software, but I believe it's the one. You can find it on the internet. So far, this is the original power supply. I put some holes in here, to help it to have the heat dissipate better. And I can say that I have a really long cable. And let's take a look here. It goes up instantly. Let's check some menu stuffs first. Oh, it's hot. Power source DC. Soldering settings. We can boost it to 430 degrees. Auto start 0, I don't need that. What else? Locking button, sleep mode, user interface, advanced options, and I think that's it. So we are on DC power supply. So far we can see from my watt meter it's taking 36 watts just for heating at the right temperature. A little tilted for a better view. There we go. So around 12 watts on standby, going down to 3 watts. It's jumping up and down. But anyway, on the heating phase it took like 35 watts. Now let's do some work. And of course, let me find a really big ground surface, something we need to put a lot of like here. Okay, come on, 26 watts, and the diode is out. Okay, I don't have anything substantial. Maybe we should try to get these guys out from here. Oh, by the way, something interesting before. Let's see how much temperature can I rise. Yeah, 450 degrees. 450 degrees. Yeah, that's the modified software for sure. And now let's try to take this out. We are on 450, so it's maximum power it can deliver, and it's not taking more than 36 watts from the power supply. 35. Okay, 36, but not permanently. It's jumping up and down, and there we go. Easy job. Remember, we are on 19 volts with the original power supply. 35, 36, not more. That's it. Well, I don't recommend to go higher than 350. You are burning the tip. I saw that. I felt that with a few tips I destroyed already. Let's get this out. This is a really hard job here. We have also a huge surface here to hit, but it's doing the job. It's effectively doing the job. Voila. What else? Okay, let's take this out. One of the secrets is to use fresh solder. I'm using the old style soldering wire, and that one have a little bit of plumb, and it's melting easier. Okay, so now we are in trouble. That's a huge, oh no, that's it, it's done. You see that? Let's take this one too. But the power, it's not going higher than 36 watts from the power supply, of course. This kind of soldering alloy they are using in the factories today, it's a mess. Oh my god, you can't use it. Okay, the diode is out. What else? All right, let's see this diode here too. $19, 22, 23. Well, it's jumping up and down. So far, the highest there we go. Yeah, the other side just got, oh no, it's okay. I thought it's broken. No, it's not. What about this coil here? We need a lot of power for this coil. It's a lot of surface to be hidden, and that's copper, and it's sucking a lot of heat. It's done. Out. Well, what can I say? It's small, but it's doing a great job. So far the maximum power, I saw it on my meter, it was 36 watts. So I suppose this is the maximum power it can do. But we got something interesting here. You see, 12 to 24 volts, 17 to 65 watts. I don't know. Let me have. I don't have anything massive, you know, to really hit. And you see, it's working like a charm. $30 30 watts there. Maybe depends on the tip too. Maybe there are powerful or much powerful tips demanding much more heat and much more current. With mine, I don't see more than 36 watts. Okay, it's off, it's on. Okay, so here we have the software. It's V214 2425902. So it's V2.14.2425902 from 21st of January, or I think it's, no, it's the other way. So it's 17th of January 2021. Okay, I hope it is useful. Please like, please subscribe, and of course, have fun. Bye bye.